If you're looking for one of the most unique scooters available in the United States, the Honda Ruckus deserves your attention. With its rugged naked frame design, reliable Honda engine, incredible fuel economy, and endless customization options, the Ruckus has built a cult following across America. In today's video, we'll cover everything you need to know about the Honda Ruckus, including its USA price, engine, mileage, features, performance, comfort, customization, pros and cons, and whether it's worth buying in 2026. Let's get started. Honda Ruckus Overview. Unlike traditional scooters, the Honda Ruckus features an exposed steel frame with a minimalist design. There are almost no unnecessary body panels, giving it an industrial and rugged appearance. It looks different from every other scooter on the road, making it popular among students, city commuters, campers, RV owners, and custom bike builders. USA price. The Honda Ruckus remains one of Honda's most affordable scooters in America. Expected USA MSRP, around $2,999. After destination charges, taxes, registration, and dealer fees, most buyers can expect an out-the-door price between $3,400 and $3,900, depending on the state and dealership. Engine. The Honda Ruckus is powered by 49cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder 4-stroke engine. It produces smooth and reliable performance while keeping maintenance costs extremely low. The engine is paired with Honda's proven automatic CVT transmission, so there are no gears or clutch to worry about. Just twist the throttle and ride. Performance. Although the Ruckus is not built for highways, it performs exceptionally well around cities and neighborhoods. Top speed typically ranges from 35 to 40 mph, depending on rider weight, road conditions, and modifications. Acceleration is smooth, making it perfect for beginners and daily commuting. Fuel economy. One of the biggest highlights is fuel efficiency. The Honda Ruckus can deliver approximately 100 to 114 mpg, which means fewer fuel stops and extremely low running costs. Its fuel tank provides enough range for several days of city riding. Design. The Ruckus stands out because of its rugged styling. Key design features include exposed steel frame, dual round headlights, chunky tires, flat seat, compact dimensions, minimalist bodywork. Its design has remained iconic for years because riders simply love its unique personality. Comfort. Despite its compact size, the Ruckus offers a surprisingly comfortable riding position. The low seat height makes it easy for almost every rider to handle. Wide handlebars provide excellent control in traffic. The suspension absorbs small bumps well, making everyday commuting comfortable. Braking and safety. Honda equips the Ruckus with reliable braking components. Features include front drum brake, rear drum brake, durable braking system, stable chassis, lightweight handling. Although it doesn't feature ABS, its low speed and lightweight design make it easy to control. Storage. The Ruckus doesn't come with a traditional underseat storage compartment because of its exposed frame. However, many owners install rear cargo racks, side bags, storage boxes, custom baskets. This flexibility is one reason why customization is so popular. Customization. Perhaps the biggest reason people buy the Honda Ruckus is customization. Owners frequently modify wheels, suspension, exhaust, seats, handlebars, headlights, LED lighting, paint, engine upgrades. Thousands of aftermarket parts are available, allowing riders to build a truly unique scooter. Who should buy it? The Honda Ruckus is ideal for college students, first-time riders, city commuters, RV travelers, campground transportation, beach towns, urban exploration. If your riding mostly happens on city streets, the Ruckus is an excellent choice. Pros. The biggest advantages include reliable Honda engine, excellent fuel economy, low maintenance, automatic transmission, lightweight handling, unique styling. Huge aftermarket support. Strong resale value. Cons. There are a few limitations. Not highway legal in many areas. Limited top speed. No underseat storage. Small engine for longer trips. Still, for urban transportation, these compromises are acceptable. Final verdict. The Honda Ruckus continues to be one of America's coolest small scooters. Its combination of reliability, low ownership costs, outstanding fuel economy, and unlimited customization makes it unlike anything else on the market. If you're looking for an affordable scooter that's fun, dependable, and guaranteed to turn heads, the Honda Ruckus remains one of the best choices available in the USA. Outro. That's everything you need to know about the Honda Ruckus USA price, features, engine, mileage, and full review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest motorcycle and scooter updates. Thanks for watching SG Riders. We'll see you in the next ride.